Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal decorative bowl. And so what you're going to need some of this old Christmas bling, and this is a mixed pack in silver, and it's brooches, little rhinestone brooches. And so you'll need at least one of these packs. I did order 2, and they're from Totally Dazzled. Also, you're going to need some of this silver Bling Wrap from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some of this floral diamond wrap. This is from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now from Dollar Tree, you'll need one of these plastic bowls, or you can use a glass bowl or something like that from Dollar Tree. You're going to need some of these silver napkin rings. I think they come in a pack of 6. You're going to need a silver candy dish. They come in a pack of 4, I think. Now I'm going to be using hot glue to assemble this project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this Glam Crystal Christmas decorative bowls turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I will see you all in the next video. Happy holidays!